Hyperbaric Oxygen Therapy, also known as HBOT, has been helping people heal from various conditions since the mid-20th century. But what exactly is this treatment and how does it work? Well, let's find out. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy is a medical treatment that has been used in various forms since the mid-17th century. But it wasn't until the mid-20th century that it was starting to be used in a clinical setting to help people heal. But yet many people aren't familiar with it. Today, hyperbaric oxygen chambers are sophisticated pieces of medical equipment that allow patients to breathe pure 100% oxygen under pressure, up to 3 times more pressure than what we have at sea level to help promote healing. And it's this pressure and concentration of oxygen that allows the body to incorporate more oxygen into our red blood cells, our plasma, our cerebral spinal fluid, in addition to other bodily fluids that help promote the healing process. Who can benefit from hyperbaric oxygen therapy? Well, quite a lot of people. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy has been studied in a wide range of medical conditions. Some of these are well established and FDA approved, while others are still used off-label. But nonetheless, this is a limited overview of some of the potential uses. Some of the FDA-approved uses are ones that people are most familiar with, like decompression sickness, which is commonly known as the bends, which is a condition that divers get when they ascend too quickly during scuba diving. Some other ones are like carbon monoxide poisoning, gas embolism, chronic non-healing wounds, specifically diabetic foot ulcers, osteomyelitis, which is a bone infection, radiation necrosis, crush injuries to help decrease the swelling and improve healing, people that have had skin grafts from burns, also helps people that have had thermal burns, and even certain types of infections, specifically things like necrotizing fasciitis or actinomyces. These are some bacteria and things that don't like oxygen, so when you saturate it, they don't like that and they die. So some of the off-label uses that some people have found benefit with it and also in the research are things such as traumatic brain injuries and concussions, stroke victims, even autism, cerebral palsy, people with multiple sclerosis and other neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease, or even just basic dementia. Lyme's disease has been shown to have benefit with hyperbaric oxygen therapy. Other sports injuries to help people promote healing a lot faster, fractures, tendons, tears, even post-surgical. People have found benefit of faster healing when they use hyperbaric oxygen therapy. Things such as post-traumatic stress syndrome. There's been preliminary research out there to show some potential benefits with PTSD, even anxiety and depression. People with migraine or cluster headaches. A common treatment is 100% oxygen. So there are multiple different facets in which hyperbaric oxygen therapy can be useful. In our upcoming videos, we'll be exploring how it works more in depth, and then talk very specifically about some of these conditions and how it can help mechanistically from a physiological principle to help educate you to make the best decision for you or your loved one.